Alright, so question 2 says, for chapter 3, it says the projectile is fired from the origin at y equals 0 meters, as shown in figure 3.1. The initial velocity components are for x is 940 meters per second, and for velocity of the y direction is 96 meters per second. The projectile reaches maximum height at point P. Then it falls and strikes the ground at point Q. If figure 3.1, the y coordinate of point P is closest to. So in essence, we need to find the height of point P. So to do this, let's just write out our components. So V of x is 940 meters per second. V of y is 96 meters per second. So the formula that we're going to use is going to be V y squared equals V over initial velocity of y minus 2 gravity of y. Okay, so this is going to be 0. This is going to be 96 squared minus 2, 9.8 of y. So our 96 squared, 96 squared minus 9.8 times 2, 19.6 y equals 0. So you want move 19.6 y to, let's isolate 19.6 y. This cancels out. So we are left with 19.6 y equals 96 squared. So 19.6 y is 96 squared. Okay, so we're gonna have 96 squared, 16. Then we're just gonna divide 19.6 to cancel out the 19.6 and isolate y. So when you divide 92.16 by 19.6, you end up with 470.2 meters. So the answer to this question is B, 470 meters.